I love this unit because I think it is just so interesting to learn about all the different technology, or I shouldn't say all, just a small part of the different technology and all that it can bring to people's lives. So you answered this question at the beginning of the unit. What value does technology bring to people's lives? And so I want you to answer it again, and hopefully you'll have more details than the first time you answered it. I want you to give at least one example from a story that you've read, write in complete sentences, again, making sure you have punctuation at the end of your sentences so it's not just one long sentence. Put good thought into your answer. I list the texts we read. So we have ones that helped with evaporation and bringing electricity to people with solar panels. Scientists built a man in an exoskeleton suit that allowed him to kick a ball even though he was paralyzed. Driverless cars, wind turbines, getting clean water to people. So all this different technology that can improve people's lives. I am more than happy to help you out if you still need some ideas, but hopefully you have some good thoughts about what value it brings to people's lives. You can also include other examples, but include an example from a story that you read this unit. If you also want to talk about maybe some of the downsides, that's also fine because that's part of it. You could say it brings this value, but we have to be careful or whatnot. So make sure to put some good thought into it, write some good sentences explaining what you are thinking about this. Good luck.